This is day 1, May 2nd. It is 10:51. We've already been hiking for about 15 minutes. We're already excited and having a good time, even though Sophia wants to be a brat sometimes. But all the less, we are looking forward to our little adventure. Talk to you later. Only 11 a.m. and it's already 86 degrees out. I can only imagine how this day is going to get. I'm definitely going to have to reevaluate everything that's in my pack for the next trip because this sucks. This is really heavy and I'm only 30 minutes into my walk already. I mean, I might get used to it, but Jesus, this is heavy. Oh my God. All right, 86 degrees, and we've probably got about 10 miles to do today before we hit camp, and we'll see how that goes. Talk later. Dog has it so easy. While I'm carrying everything, she just gets to walk. I'm about ready to strap this pack to her back and let her carry it for a while. Little snot. Look at that little girl. We are at our first break. We've walked just 2 miles or so, but it's almost 90 degrees, so we have to stop and get her some water. Aww. Sophia, we only got another 8 miles or so. She's pooped already. We'll stay here for 15 minutes or so, and then we'll take off again. This is going to be our water. Might as well collect it now. That looks yummy. Obviously, we'll filter it when we get to where we're going and boil it and purify it. Oh, I got a little fish in that one. Sophia, dinner. Stay there. We'll do. We'll get rid of that fish.
We don't need that little fishy. We don't need that fishy.
He's probably like screaming, Mom, where are you? Okay. I wish I would have grabbed my cup over there. Sophia, will you mind go getting my cup? Okay. This will have to be for dinner. Yay! Yummy, gross brown water. Woo! Alright, the water is finally coming to a boil. I'll probably let it go for another minute or two just to make sure every amoeba is dead. We don't need to have diarrhea tomorrow. Sophia is off in the distance, roaming around. She's having a blast. Our tent is set up for the night. I'll have to do a little organizing tonight, but this is where we're at. We're in the woods. We are in the woods. And I am freaking thirsty, no matter how disgusting that water looks. I'm still thirsty. Is so happy. Are you on puppy crack, Sophia? Yes, you are. You're on puppy crack. She's having so much fun. She loves this. Get it. Get it, Sophia. Get it. Yummy fire. It may rain tonight. I've thought of an idea to collect rainwater so I have something to drink in the morning. Me and the sofa pants here. Talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye now. So we just woke up. It rained all night. We're so sleepy. Me and the sofa pants. We're so sleepy. Yes, we are. And now we gotta get up and hike another 10 miles. Maybe tomorrow night I'll be a lot better sleep. Oh no. It rained all night. All night. And it's wet in the tent too. Well, this is Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs out now. Good morning, everybody. Right, this is the dock that we're on, and this is our view. There's just water, 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 trees. Whoops, there's the stairs that go back up. And then there's the sofa pants. Who slipped and nearly fell. Funny.